Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more helpful content. Here's a look at Kiplinger's Retirement Calculator, a practical tool for planning your financial future. We'll explore its features, ideal user, and overall effectiveness. Links to the calculator are available in the description below. Kiplinger's Retirement Calculator is a straightforward and user-friendly resource designed for those seeking a quick assessment of their retirement readiness. It avoids overly complex details, appealing to users who prefer a simplified, no-nonsense approach to retirement planning. It's perfect for gaining a general understanding of your retirement needs without getting lost in complicated calculations. One of the calculator's strengths is its intuitive design. The tool guides you through a series of clear questions about your current age, anticipated retirement age, existing savings, yearly contributions, and estimated Social Security benefits. It effectively takes this information and creates a visual representation of your projected financial future. Based on your current trajectory, it estimates the funds you'll likely require for a comfortable retirement. This provides a valuable starting point for determining if you're on the right path or need to adjust your savings plan. This calculator is particularly beneficial for those in the early to mid stages of their careers who want a quick check-in on their savings progress. It's also useful for individuals already retired who want basic reassurance about their financial preparedness. The calculator offers a simple overview of your projected retirement funds, taking into account factors like average life expectancy, inflation, and anticipated investment returns. It's crucial to remember that the Kiplinger Retirement Calculator offers a broad estimate. It doesn't delve into specific tax implications or include advanced features such as Monte Carlo simulations. However, for those seeking a quick and easy starting point for retirement planning or a simple validation of their current strategy, Kiplinger's calculator is a valuable tool. It isn't designed for highly detailed or individualized planning, but it serves as an excellent first step in the retirement planning process. If you want a quick and easy way to assess your retirement readiness without a complicated learning process, Kiplinger's Retirement Calculator is an excellent option. Click the product links in the description to explore the calculator and see how it can benefit your retirement planning.